I'm greeting you on our channel, and today I will tell you and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $515. And I will tell you this for our just viewers and dear subscribers. First of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment. Our next step, go to the application, and if you have an account, then log out of it. It's important, guys, for get your big bonus. Next, tap registration, and today I will tell you about all variants of the registration in one click, by phone, full, and via social media. And let's try from in one click. In menu current country, you need to choose your current country. Mine is United States. Current valued US dollar, and select your bonus on sports or on casino. What do you want? What do you play? I'm playing usually sports, and I will choose sports. Tap. Enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Accept all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. And that's all for in one click. Next, tap on the green check mark and I will tell you about next step in the end of the video. Next, by phone. There's so simple code of your current country, phone number, current valued US dollar, into the current promo code is ZANOS24, select your bonus and accept all the rules. And you need to choose on the green check mark, and for example it will be how to in one click. And personal information, your surname, maybe John, first name John, it's random. For example, current country, your current country, region, city, town, date of the birth, and account settings, your current valued, your email address, and your code of your number. Next, into the passwords, and copy and repeat, paste. Promo code is ZANOS24, accept all the rules of there and choose your bonus and tap of the green check mark. And next, we're going to the via social media. First, your social. Next, your current country, current valued US dollar, select your bonus on sports or on casino, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24 and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. And in one click, by phone and via social media, we're going to on the green check mark, and after loading we will see our login and passwords. I recommend you to screenshot this for pleasure or change it right now for didn't lose your big bonus. And next, after that, we need to go of our final step in account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, then answer them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Thank you for watching, thank you for your support, If you want to support us more, then follow the link in the pinned comment and use our actual promo code and subscribe on our channel. Thank you for watching, thank you for your support. Goodbye and good luck, so have fun.